Alright guys, finally it's arrived, and this is the iPhone 16 Pro. I got it delivered yesterday. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. While I'm unboxing, let me give you some of the details. I ordered this phone from Apple direct on September 14th, and it was shipped on October 5th. So this is about 2 months, 2 weeks after it came out in the US. All right, so quite simple, nice shipping. And my dog's barking. And the cost was 10,999 RMB, or about $1,571. Now, I was able to do a payment plan 1 year, and I pay $130 each month. Also, I got this 35-watt USB adapter. All right, so yeah, this can take a little bit more wattage, charge faster. All right, so yeah, quite slim. Let's see, what is this? Oh, it's all in Chinese. So yeah, does this look similar to the US box? All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open it now. Oh, by the way, this is the 516 or 512 megabyte hard drive storage. So I don't know, did anyone get the 1 terabyte? Oh, I'm sorry if you guys wanted to see the desert titanium or chrome color, whatever. I ended up getting just the normal titanium because I saw it in the store and it looked a little too pink for me. It looked like a kind of, the side was really cool, but then on this side, it was kind of pink. So yeah, I wasn't like really digging it. All right, so yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it. Pretty light, actually. I like it. Has the titanium side. Oh, this is that new button they're talking about. This is the camera button on the side. And here we go. You have the 3 buttons here. And then we have the new camera button here, so I can adjust. And let's go ahead and turn it on. Holding it down. Or do we have the hold? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I mean, it's nice lightweight. I'm not that impressed with this side, the color or whatever. I'm sorry, it's the lighting's not so good. But yeah, I mean, it would be much cooler if it was all like titanium just like this on the side. I don't know if that's possible. Oh, so here we go. So yeah, this is the part where it has all Apple in different languages. It says hello in different languages. And then we're gonna go ahead, swipe up, and then choose the language you desire, and select your region. And yeah, I mean, this is pretty much it for this video. I just want to do a quick unboxing just to show you guys how it looks. Volume, and then this is hold. Okay, wait, what does it say? This is the, oh, silent. Okay, so if I hold it down, it goes silent. What's this? So I can't do anything until I go ahead and put in all my info and all that stuff. Anyways, I just want to make a quick video of the iPhone 16 Pro I got in China. I guess pretty much the same thing. Oh wow, here, it did come with, what's this? I thought it didn't come with anything anymore. Oh yeah, I like these new cords that they came out with. Oh, this looks like a USB. Yeah. So, well, at least they give you something. Remember back in the day, they used to even give you all this, but not anymore. Oh, there's some more stuff here, I think. iPhone. I mean, you know, the packaging is pretty nice. What's crazy is I'm hearing from some of the local people, our associates, that they're liking the Huawei phones better now. And iPhone hasn't really been upgrading so much, you know? All right. Well, anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. So this is the unboxing of the iPhone 16 Pro. Once again. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye. Dual USB-C port. Go ahead and open it. It's dual. That means that there's two places I can plug into, which might be cool for something like an old MacBook. Like, let me show you my old MacBook, 2018. Perfect. I can go ahead and use this while charging my iPhone 16 Pro. All right, guys. 35 watt. I think it's going to be a lot faster with the what's it called, the supercharging and the quick charging. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.